MergeBase allows you to validate both the format and content of your vendor's SBOMs. This feature works on applications built in C, .NET, and Java environments and works for on-premise installations. In order to do a verification, you'll need an SBOM from your vendor, and you'll also need to know where your vendor system is deployed within your internal environment. So first, you'll need that vendor SBOM in CyclineDX format. And we're going to upload that. MergeBase will do the analysis of the SBOM. And then the other thing you're going to want to do is you're going to add an application from a binary. So for the purposes of this demo, we're going to use our GUI to upload the binary, but our command line tool has more capabilities for more environments and should be used in most cases to do the analysis. MergeBase is just finalizing the analysis of this example binary. And as we can see, we now have the SBOM as well as the binary upload, and we can use our compare applications feature. And we can see that the vendor has indeed given us an accurate SBOM, and we have all of the same vulnerabilities found in both the vendor binary as well as the vendor SBOM.